another beautiful morning here in sunny Southern California. That might just be a seabird. He's been waking me up. Over the last couple of days, I've never heard that sound, and I'd like to find out who or what type of bird it is. As you see, I don't see him, I can just hear him. But I'm pointing in the direction that the sound is coming from. Gorgeous morning. I'm actually recording through my patio screen. And this is what we're getting so far. Look at the beautiful sky. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Early morning traffic. Okay, now I'm going to go back on this side and see if I can get a shot of our seabird. I'm not exactly sure, but they are making an awful lot of noise this morning. Awful lot of traffic here this morning. Perhaps because it's holiday time. Oh, well, people are actually on their way to work. It's my favorite tree right there. palms here. It's swaying with the breeze. And of course, traffic is still flowing. A little bit heavy for this side of town. Well, it's early in the morning and folks are on their way to work. So be sure to rate my videos, and I will be back with you soon. Thanks for watching. This is the Shea Barber signing out.